We primarily handle dog bites. Dog bites are the most common kinds of animal injuries in Nevada. However, we do handle other types of injuries as well. For example, if you were thrown off of a horse and injured due to someone else's negligence, we would handle that case as well. Some of the more common dog bite injuries involve punctures or lacerations. Some of the more severe injuries can include broken bones, major scarring, eyes damage, nerve damage, sometimes even death. Many times a victim of a dog bite injury can recover completely with adequate treatment and time. Depending on the severity of the dog bite, there could be permanent, long-lasting injuries. There could be nerve damage. People may not be able to get back to their regular life immediately. They may not be able to go back to work. They may not be able to go back to school. And sometimes there's also a psychological component that can make people afraid of dogs and afraid to go outdoors. I've handled multiple dog bite cases. In the past, we've looked at the facts of the incident. We've looked at the necessary treatment. We've hired the required experts, and we've gotten these cases resolved. We've seen a lot, so whatever comes across our desk, I'm confident we can handle it for you. People that have been injured by a dog are entitled to recover money to pay their medical bills, to pay lost wages if there's any, to pay their court costs, and also they're entitled to compensation for pain and suffering. Clients hire Precision Injury Law because they like the fact that they're dealing with me and not some faceless person in a large corporation. They like that they can get in touch with me. They like that I'm available. I'll take the time to educate them about the legal process. I'll give them the options of how we can proceed with their case, and they're happy with the results. What makes Precision Injury Law different from other firms is we are a small, boutique firm, and we take the time to craft the right solution for each individual client. Client communication is key. I do my best to return phone calls and emails the very same day. As a lawyer, sometimes I'm in trial and I cannot do that, so I will return calls within 48 hours. Precision Injury Law is a small firm, and the advantage of dealing with a small firm is you know who you're dealing with. I will be handling or overseeing all of the cases, so if somebody has a question, they're not calling some random department somewhere in a large firm, they'll be speaking with me. During your initial consultation for a dog bite injury, we'll sit down together and talk about the facts of the incident. We'll talk about the medical treatment that's been provided. We'll talk about the additional treatment necessary, and we'll look at what the options are for you to get the best result for your injuries.